This is a video of our team using our own platform. You'll see a map that one of our SREs created in his first week on the job in the spring of 2021 that we have since turned into our tutorial workspace. We'll have a look at how we organize the map, an overview of SLIs, SLOs, and task sets, as well as how to use a run session to collaborate with our team. When we first enter the map view, we see groups that help identify functional areas that compose our application. On the left-hand side, we've created a group that relates to our most business-critical functions. We consider these to be most closely related to our customers. As we move to the middle of the map, we have groups that make up the core application and infrastructure components that we rely on. These components might have different owners that can provide technical assistance. And towards the right of the map, we have our third-party services that we depend on. These services require us to contact an outside party for help. Let's dive into our business critical group and look at our overall API health. Here we see our SLI, our service level indicator value and past performance, our service level objective and any remaining monthly error budget, along with our toil tracker, which includes any events or alerts that have fired off in the last month, and our task set. A task set is a grouping of tasks that are used to help troubleshoot this particular component. Let's create a run session. A run session will allow us to collaboratively troubleshoot multiple components with other engineers on our team. We will assign a unique but helpful name to the run session. And then while that's running, we will navigate to other components on the map. Here, we will look at the number of error logs generated from our public API. We can see that we've blown our SLO error budget, and there's some tasks to help troubleshoot this component. We're going to add those tasks to our existing run session. And while that's running, we're going to navigate out and send a message to our team to allow them to help collaborate on this particular issue. Here we can see the notification that's been posted along with a link to the live run session. Selecting that link will bring them back to the existing run session where they can review the output from any of the tasks that were included in this run session. Let's take a look at our API health output. Here we can see information regarding our egress tasks, including certificate information, DNS information, and the like. And we can take a look at our PAPI error log task sets, which includes a number of Kubernetes troubleshooting tasks to let our team know whether or not our Kubernetes components are running properly. In this video, we reviewed one of the first maps that we built to troubleshoot our own platform and decided to turn it into our tutorial workspace. We reviewed how the map is laid out and organized, a quick overview of SLIs, SLOs, and our task sets, and more importantly, an overview of how to create a run session to collaboratively troubleshoot multiple components on the map. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website to contact our team with any questions you may have.